All right. That started. Thank you.
This is a good date stacking, which means I should put RR4 today. I've decided if RR4, if I get one from Oz, I'm selling it. I'm not even considering equipping it.
Down.
Mhm.
All right.
I'm not even using my Oz rings. I don't care about Dojo either.
Jerry,
Go
you
nuts, dude.
watching?
Mhm.
Yeah, we're watching.
Okay.
I literally got you on my second screen.
Oh shit.
Ugh.
Stop watching Boris.
You,
Okay.
you start your run. I'm just gonna put my coffee cup downstairs. The real shit happens in P2 and 3. I'll be right back for a bit.
Yeah. Do I have the right things on? No, I do not. Oh, I need that. Don't need that. All right.
Actually buff inside, but yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like if I buff inside, it's a little time wasted. It takes.
Not really.
It makes me feel like I wasted some time.
Mhm. Doing 2-1-1, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Maybe two. Mm.
oops. Are you gonna move me, sir?
Probably not.
Oh, I thought he does move.
Mm. I don't, he does, but I don't know why he's not moving. He would have moved a long time ago.
Watch when I actually do move, he's gonna move me back. I have. Okay, no, he's moving me now. move me.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Damn, look at wide the pro.
No, 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 no. If I was a pro, I wouldn't need help for a while.
Mm, I mean,
It's always, you just don't have enough practice.
yeah. I mean, look, you're better than the people that don't try it.
Yeah.
Sure.
That's a lot of people on the server. So you can't really shit yourself for at least trying.
Yeah, but
That's
compared to
respect.
all the DBs in this, I'm the worst one.
Yeah, look, uh, you know, like with soloing bosses, man, like it's like a practice thing. If you put the effort, you'll get there. It's not like impossible to do, and you only get better over time as well.
Hmm.
But at least you're trying.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, a lot of people make it sound like it's rocket science when if you actually put some effort, you actually realize it's not anything like that. I think you're more of a clown if you're like super high stat, but you never like got your mechanics down. That's when you're clowning. There's been no excuses at that stage. Even shit mechanics of high stat should barely get the job done.
I mean,
But
Lavish was just strong back then,
yeah,
but he put in the time to actually learn class.
yeah, I remember Lavish was just one of those funded people where he tried like he was practicing the mechanics. But yeah, he put time into it though. That's the difference. That's why I don't feel the need to fund my Demon Slayer too much. It's like I already get the job done very easily.
Mm-hmm.
Same with Jay's DB. He doesn't have to go any further with upgrades unless he wants to 22 the remainder stuff. Like he's already getting the job done. That's it. Um, I need
Sure,
dominant.
I'm not gonna make it.
Don't make it.
Skip attack.
Close.
Damn,
That's a better. It's bound to happen.
that's so sad.
That's okay. I mean, you haven't died. I mean, you didn't die from it, so fine.
Yes, outdoor.
I mean, you don't really need like that extra time. You got plenty of time. Like,
Yeah.
have you? Like, you've already killed Will
Wait,
Solo. So
yeah, I'm
you
actually
re
failing that test was actually really good. Then
Why?
you're
yeah,
losing
actually,
you're
because
losing
you're
meta.
gonna.
Uh,
Yeah, actually, that's true. You're stalling for Peter. That's not. That's actually smarter. That's
The thing
bigger
is that
brain.
you need your Erda for your P3. If you use Erda in P2, then you won't have it for P3.
mm,
Oh yeah, because it's got the super long cooldown. Yeah, that's true.
does P2
That was
really
actually
not
good.
take me that long then?
Peter, you
Like,
normally get through it fast. It's just the waiting of the test of the part that takes the longest.
I don't even kill it by the time.
Mm. I mean,
P2,
like it depends on class
mm,
though.
P2 should take two, four, 4 to 6 minutes.
Yeah,
Oh,
and that assuming like how fast you get it down before it's the next test as well. P3 is ironically the quickest face for me. I nicked that shit.
I mean, P1 you can't really complain because then new time medium.
P1 always takes the most time because you're waiting like at least 2 minutes before for each test. Like
Mm-hmm.
you can't really do much about that. And some people might want to stall it, like to get out of cooldown. So like it's P1's always going to be the longest. P2's going to be second longest, and then P3's individual. I mean, it depends how fast you kill P3, but for me, it's like P3 shortest, P2 second
Do I
shortest,
buff up
and
now or should I buff up in P2?
hmm,
I do Blade Clone, Epic Adventurer, and then I pop the other ones in there.
Oh,
because I have a class bind, I actually use bind in P2 because I have up for P3, but you can't use bind. But yeah, I pop everything in the beginning of P2 or at the end of P1.
oh. Why did I use my big burst? What am I doing? Oh shit. I don't have.
F.
Side.
Yeah, you still got 9 lives.
Wait, all you need is 7.
Yeah, it's actually true. 7's actually a very good number.
Eight, 40. This is at 40, so 1540 is your next test if you kill it by then. I think.
Ten out of 10 mechanics.
I keep
Minus
locking
5
in.
points for bot and for lucid earrings. Minus 2 points for high stat as well.
Keep hitting him.
I'm joking. Bro, you got the shit in the bag.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I think
I'm liking that you're rushing to the other side. That's what I like to see. I did on my demon side. That's clean AF.
Nah, I wouldn't even do that if I had a mod.
But you
Yeah,
still
I I
locked
I, I
in.
did a I did a lot of it when I didn't have bod because obviously I was trying not to get hit. But yeah, I get what you mean. I get P2 for me now. I just burst the shit out of it. They usually have burst up like at the end of each test. Imagine 2 minute burst class, 2 minute cooldown burst class. No need to.
That's
I like how Y knows what to do if it's flipped on the other side. Yeah, he stand there. That's good shit.
yeah, dark side. It doesn't
It
matter.
doesn't matter, but I
That
still
doesn't.
prefer doing it.
It's good practice. I like it. I've been doing that here and there. Like for me, I don't have dark sight, so the webs will actually kill me. So if there's webs, I do what you're doing.
Do you bind immediately or wait till poison?
We have a poison. We have a poison. Stand in the middle. Stand in that little. Yeah.
What? Oh no.
They want to have uh I'm gonna do after this, I'm guessing.
You might have to cancel Tempest for the. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just push the Zoro. Alright, cancel Zoro and then your familiars. Alright. Nope. You're not on the tip yet. You're not on the tip. You're not on the tip. Tip of the lip. Yeah. Yeah, you're fine now. Cleanse every time there's white eyes.
Okay.
So next one you cleanse. Yes. Final cuts down. You can proc final cut. You might have to double cleanse next one, but it's fine. Alright, cleanse. Yeah, you have to. I think you have double
Yep.
cleanse.
Yeah, you already did. You already did. I saw you got to. You got to.
Oh.
No, you have to cleanse second time. So what you do is you reset the middle, wait for that yellow aura to go away,
Oh, okay.
and then cleanse.
I was wondering if I could like double it.
Nah, you can't do that.
Or should I lose it bound?
It's fine.
Should I lose it by now?
No, cleanse. You gotta
No,
double.
'cause it'll probably be on cooldown by your next one.
Double cleanse, yeah, double cleanse, double cleanse. You saw final cut.
I want to bind now actually first.
You can. Oh, you can. Stand when you're on the web. Stand back a little bit more. Front a little. Tap, just tap a little. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, you want to be on that tip point thing.
Oh. Final cut is down. No web belt, but it's fine. Okay. Now you wait for poison.
Should I even buff or anything?
You can break clone and last resort.
He's really storing poison.
Yeah, he needs
I
to.
died like right. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh, should I have cleansed there actually?
Nah, you have to.
Should I use any other buffs or just save?
I mean, you can Maple Goddess and Epic Venture and Baby Link. Cleanse now. Yeah. So Lucid's up.
I got pushed into it.
What? Fine. You're fine. You're fine. Lucid's up. You can Shadow Walker, AB, Last Resort, and then Burst. And then cleanse when you respawn. And burst it.
Cleanse when I respawn or cleanse after?
Cleanse. Yeah, just cleanse now. Buff up, cleanse, and then Lucid and Burst. You should be fine. Oh, that's not good.
Oh my god.
Are you pressing your heal button?
I am. It's on cooldown.
Um, hmm. King of Hell's off. This is not good. Let's see. Saren skills up. You can Urda it if you want.
I think I was gonna save it for next one.
Nice.
Oh
You
yeah,
could
I
also,
could have also turned on my familiars.
yeah. I did forget to tell you to do that. My bad.
No, 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 you're good. Should I just burst to kill? Or should I
Yeah.
just make up Moonlight first and then kill on the last death?
I mean, you could burst and kill and see how far you can get.
You've only got 2 lives left.
Yeah.
I make it count. I reckon you could
Did
burst
I
that bar
miss
down.
the Oh man.
I mean, you're fine. You're fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Just res? Oh,
Uh,
yeah.
yeah. Res.
Okay, yep, go. Just burst it.
Cleanse. You got it. I'm pretty sure you got it.
Hey, good shit.
Didn't get anything though. Not worth.
But you did gain something more